Okay, so let's first take a look at our events. For honor and courage here, we would get an equipment box, which is great. And then let's open that. Okay, sounds fine. I can go here and just go here and then just upgrade this, and then boom. And then after I upgraded this, what I want to do is to play a game of singles tournament with this deck. So let's see how we go today, folks. So let's see, let's attack this guy. Okay, interesting. We are definitely in the lead here, Kaleo, and our artilleries are doing some good work. Definitely getting in a lot of damage here. Rage on the artillery. It's gonna take that out there. Mortar round, and this is on very low health now. His infantry does get locked on here. Infantry rage is devastating here, dealing massive damage. Massive damage here. However, mortar round, I am gonna make it come in here and then just take out his artillery, and that would be it here for the first round. Not gonna be too much of a problem. The second round here, okay, so he has a 3 artillery, 3 tank, and 1 infantry deck, which is interesting. But his infantry is legendary, which can prove to be quite problematic for me in this case. So let's get those stuffs done, and let's get a mortar round in. So, okay, battle supremacy, okay. Okay, I think we are winning here. I think we're winning. It's just gonna amplify that out of the way here. Mortar round, and that's it. So, round 2, not gonna be too difficult here. Round 3, though, okay, everything is German, which is very interesting, but I do not think that will be too much of a problem with it. It's just gonna rage that up, and then we're just gonna use that and that to get rid of all of the obstacles and just connect to his back rank here, and then just gonna get that right in here, and then rage on that. He does have infantry healing, but it doesn't, but I don't think it's gonna be enough, and there we go. We're 3 rounds in and we're 3 wins in, so let's take a look at this guy. Okay, we are definitely going to win this. His deck is very bad, and it gets destroyed very quickly. And here we are, we're just gonna mortar around everything, and then our artillery, yeah, that's it. So that was a quick, easy round. And finally, for our last round, no, sorry, let's attack this guy. Okay, so his deck is interesting. He does have a restoration, which can be dangerous. But I don't think it would be too much of a problem, though. I don't think so. It's gonna stun that and then get the mortar round in here. He does have restoration plus infantry restoration, which can be problematic because his infantry isn't really dying, and we don't seem to be dealing enough damage to it here. And then, whoa, and then getting all of that in, but the mortar round here comes in and saves the day. And so we are 5 games, 5 wins. First place. Awesome. So that is very good. And that is it for today.